Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 might not be bringing the camera changes we are hoping for. Also, we have the first design look of the Galaxy Z Fold S. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news from the Samsung world, and first of all we're going to talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 3. As we know that all Samsung foldable phones up till now did not use the Samsung best of the class camera sensor so far. For example, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is not coming with a 108 megapixel level sensor or the 100 time of periscopic zoom cameras. But considering a $2,000 price tag, I honestly think that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 should actually have an S21 Ultra camera setup, but it's looked like from the latest leak that they are not doing it. As per the latest leak, we have triple camera setup at the back with 12 megapixel of a camera sensor on all the three camera sensor, and it is not mentioned which sensor it will be using. But judging about the previous generation of foldable devices, it will be actually going to have a main sensor, ultra wide, and a telephoto lens. So actually I think that it is no disappointment for such a high-end phone, because since it is coming with a $2,000 price tag, so we definitely want a better camera sensor. Also in the leaks we have two other camera sensor with the 10 megapixel of a Sony IMX374 covered sensor, which is going to be coming inside the Fold 3, and also the 16 megapixel of Sony IMX298 sensor, and it might be an under display camera sensor on the main inner display. So these leaks are still early, we are still finger crossed right now about the Z Fold 3 camera sensor. With that being said, according to the Let's Go Digital, a new patent shows that the working of the Samsung tri-folding device, and also some surprises which we didn't expect. So as far as the patent images you are looking at the screen, we have a huge screen with a quad camera setup in the center screen, while we also have a quad speaker port as well on the device frame. And as you can see, marker on either side indicates the folding portion. Now once both the display close, we actually have a magnetic strip to attach the S Pen. According to this patent, we don't have any dedicated slot for the S Pen, and it may be sold as a separate accessory. Also, the S Pen size is a little bit larger here, which may indicate it must have some new cool features. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I'm hoping that the Z Fold 3 will be coming with a greater spec sheet. At least I am hoping that the S21 Ultra camera sensor will be coming in the Z Fold 3. So guys, up till the next video, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.